Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Scalable Analytics for IaaS Cloud Availability. Here we are going to see about the abstract, the process which comes under the domain of cloud computing. The data are stored in the IaaS, that is the infrastructure as a service. The process of maintaining the availability in the cloud, a new scalable method. Here we are going to propose that the scalable method reduces the complexity and the solution time by making the use of the cloud. Here the high availability is one of the key characteristics of infrastructure as a cloud service cloud. A scalable method for availability analysis of large scale IaaS cloud using analytics model. The stochastic analysis model can be utilized for cloud service availability analysis. The monolithic models become intractable as the size of cloud increases. Here we are going to see about the three states, that is the warm, hot and cold. Next we are going to discuss about the data flow diagram. The process which starts with by giving the user request. There are three states in our process, that is the cold, warm and hot spot. It is based on the running conditions of the process. The complexity of the analysis in the proposed system is reduced. The proposed system makes use of stochastic reward net of maintaining the availability in the cloud. The availability which comes under the cloud is viewed under form of physical CPU and disk usage. The user request is processed even though there is not enough availability. At the time of user request, the availability is managed to make to utilize the cloud. Here, if the state is ready, the process which goes down the cold pool, and if the process is ready, which goes under the warm pool. If the state is running, that is the hot pool. Like that, we improve indicate. Next, we have to check availability. The process which comes under the SRN method, that is the high level formalization of automated generation and solution of the underlying Markov chain. Here the utilizing of cloud storage and based on the Markov model. Now I am going to show the demo of our process. First we have to start with the home.java. This is our project title. Scalable availability model for infrastructure as a service cloud. The next step is application analysis. It is the system analysis is the study of set of interacting entities, including the computer system analysis. The program analysis is the process of automatically analyzing the behavior of computer programs. Here we are going to see about the running task in the machine, in the physical machine. The two main approaches in the program analysis is the static program analysis and the dynamic programming analysis. The main two applications of program analysis are the program correctness and the program optimization. Here we are going to see the status of the task. These states are running in my system, so here I can show it. The application analysis is the running process. The application analysis, the process used to by the user, and the status of the process will be viewed by the user. Here I am going to see the usage of my system. Here the CPU usage, physical memory. Next is the process availability, that is the physical memory, CPU usage and the processes of the running process can be viewed by the user. Here I am going to see about the images name, that is I am running condition in my system. These processes are running conditions and it is the exe files of in my system. It is handled by the user, so I can view it. Here it is the CPU usage of each system. This is the usage. Here I can use the CPU usage and physical memory. The process which is in the active condition, so it cannot be displayed. Here I am going to see about the memory usages and description of each process. Here it is the images name, that is a bit before process. This continuation from the before process, and I am going to see about the memory taken by each process. The first process which taken is like this amount of KB, and so I have told that webplay.exe. Next I am going to see the description of this process. The exe file which is the NetBeans and Skype, Chrome, like that. Here I am going to see the usages of the system. Here the process which is 86 and the CPU usage it is 78% and physical memory usage is 64%. Like that I can view it. The Process analysis, it is a step-by-step breakdown of the phase of a process used to convey the inputs, outputs and operations that takes place during each phase. The process analysis model makes the user to view the status of the processes that are running currently. It is the address of the status of the whole process that is available in the system, that is the CPU usage of the process that are available in the system. The memory space occupied by each process is the system also be able to know by making use of the process analysis. It is provided by the process that are ready to run the process that are the currently running state. It is provide details about the memory occupied by the each process. This image description of each process also provided after the analysis of each process. Next we go for a service. The service analysis model allows user to analyze the process that provides storage space for the each user. This is the provide space of the each user. Next, the service analysis model also allows the user to get the PID of each process that provides the storage space to the user. This is the storage space about the user. The service analysis also addresses the usage description of the processes that are in the system. The service analysis also provides the status of each process and a program that are available in the system. Next is the final step, that is the performance analysis. The performance analysis model provides performance of the each process over the physical and kernel memory. The physical memory, total storage space, cached memory, available memory space is also viewed by the user by making use of the performance analysis. If I am going to see about the CPU usage of my system, next I am going to say about the memory occupied in my system. The physical memory, total memory space, cached memory, available memory space analysis, performance analysis. The memory taken by my system is 1.62 GB up to that. Next is the physical memory space. It is the total storages of cache memory, available memory space is also viewed in the system. It is the free space of my system. Next is the kernel memory. It is paged and non-paged by the user is also viewed by the user by making the performance analysis. It is fragmented as paged and non-paged. Next also we can see about the processes of the system for the each process taken. Here the CPU usage and the physical memory. Next is the final step is the Markov chain process. The Markov chain process model provides user to switch over the state at the time of data storage. Here it is a parameters of another system like the location chosen by the user does not contain sufficient memory space to store the content provided by the user, means the Markov chain process helps the user to switch over the location. Here I can get the view and I can view about the process, that is the CPU usage history. I can view it as a line graph. Next is the physical memory history. I can see here it is a physical memory. Next it is also displayed as a line graph to view. Next final step is a networking. Here I can view it as a local area network. The user data will be stored in the location that contains sufficient memory space to store the user data, and the location of the data storage will be intimated by the user. This is the overall process in our project. Thanks for watching.